What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, set the keyboard that you use as default keyboard. So to do this, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now tap on languages and input and then tap on current keyboard. Now from here select the keyboard. So first of all, turn on the keyboard from manage keyboards and then tap on current keyboard, and from here select which keyboard you want to use, and after selecting keyboard, that keyboard will be selected as your default keyboard. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then from here swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the keyboard disappeared issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the keyboard icon and then tap on this information icon and then go to its storage. Now clear the user data and cache memory of the keyboard. So to do this, tap on clear data. To clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And to clear the user data, tap on clear all data, then tap on OK to confirm. And after doing this, the keyboard disappeared issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the keyboard disappeared issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.